A second component, which is sort of basically now discussed for all the different languages that there are in the world, maybe not all, but the major languages, is the so-called N400, a negativity around 400 milliseconds with its peak. So what does this reflect? This is a component that we see quite often in relation to lexical semantic processes. For example, you have a sentence, and this is a famous example, the pizza was too hot to cry instead of too hot to eat. Then when you hear the word cry, you will get this brain signature, that is, the brain sort of gives you more activation for the incorrect than for the correct word, and this is then expressed in a negativity around 400 milliseconds. We also see an amplitude change in the N400, for example, when the word does not exist in your language. For example, you have a so-called pseudo word that is just syllables that you never hear in your language. So the idea is that the N400 reflects the identification of a word form, but also, and this is what is more sort of famous for, word meaning.